Hello and welcome back to another Glow recipe video. This is Watermelon Glow Sipping Mask and probably one of my favorites from the Glow recipe range. It is formulated with watermelon, hyaluronic and alpha hydroxy acid to hydrate and smooth the skin overnight for a post-facial baby soft result. I believe this to be my third purchase so far, and I currently use it in the evening after acid-based toner as an overnight mask. There are two different ways to use this product. As a sleeping mask, it can be applied as the final step of the evening routine. Just pat gently until fully absorbed and wash thoroughly in the morning. As a wash-off mask, it can be applied in thick layer to clean skin and rinse with lukewarm water after 10 minutes. It leaves my skin hydrated, plump and incredibly soft, and in the mornings I don't wake up with the oily skin as it normally feels in the morning. Definitely worth a try. It does wonders for my skin. It makes it more hydrated, plumper and radiant. This small jar goes a long way and the smell is incredible. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.